Number 214. A square lot has an area of 729 square meters. How many meters is each side? So pause the video and try to answer. So the choices are 31, 33, 23, 29, and 27. Okay, so what is the formula for area? Area of square. A square lot has an area of 729 square meters. So the formula for area of square is equal to S squared. S is the length of each side. Okay, so the given square lot has an area of 729 square meters. How many meters is each side? So just substitute the given. So 729, that is the area. Okay, so we have 729 is equal to S squared. So to get the value of side, just take the square root of both sides to solve for S. So take the square root of both sides. So we can cancel this. So therefore, S is equal to square root of 729. So if you don't know the exact answer to this, we can do trial and error. So let's do trial and error to get the square root of 729. So 20 squared, 20 times 20, 20 times 20, that is equal to 400. And then 30 squared is equal to 30 times 30, that is equal to 900. Since 729 is between 400 and 900, but it is much closer to 900. Therefore, the answer to this must be, according to the choices, the numbers that are between 20 and 30. So we have 23, 29, and 27. So 31 and 33 is greater than 30 is 30 squared is 900. So therefore 31 and 33 are eliminated. And then 729 is closer to 900. So therefore we can cross out the 23 and the answer to this must be 27. Why 27 without solving? Because look at the last digit. 7 times 7, just the last digit, 7 times 7 equals 49. So therefore, the last digit, 729, so that must be 7 because 9 times 9, if we square 9, 9 times 9 is equal to 81. The last digit is 1 if the answer is 9. If the answer is 29, the last digit must be 1. But in our equation, we have S is equal to square root of 729. So therefore, 29 cannot be the answer. And we only left with 27. So let us check if 27 is equal to 727 times 27 is equal to 729. So let us verify 27 times 27, 7 times 7, 49. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 4, we have 18. 2 times 7, we have 4. Carry 1. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1, we have 5. Let's add this. So we have 9. 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4, we have 2. Carry 1. And then we have 1 plus 1 plus 5. We have 729. Therefore, 729 is equal to 27 times 27. And the side is, just cancel the square root and square. Therefore, the correct answer is letter E, 27. Follow me for more content like this. Sa mga nagre-review para sa civil service exam, pwede po kayong mag-join sa aking review. Meron po tayong review para sa Math and Logic via Zoom for only 50 pesos. So ano yung mga kasama dyan sa 50 pesos? Meron tayong 10 sessions, February 10 to 19, 2025, 7 p.m. onwards. So more or less mga 2 hours po yung bawat session natin. 10 sessions po yan, 10 to 19, 7 p.m. Okay, so meron tayong GC at exclusive FB group. Meron tayong Google Forms practice test. Sessions are recorded para kapag hindi kayo naka-attend, mapapanood nyo pa. I-upload ko po yan sa exclusive FB group natin. Okay, so ang session natin, Math and Logic lang, pero but we'll share reviewer on other subjects. So yung mga reviewer natin sa ibang subjects, i-upload ko po yan sa ating FB group. Yan po yung mga nasa Google Forms na practice test. So ito po yung mga example. Ito po yung mga example na Google Forms natin sa ibang subjects. So verbal ability, medyo marami na. May 13 na ako dyan. Numerical reasoning, Gen Info, Filipino, and then madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, so bago mag-February 10 ay marami pa pong madadagdag dito ng mga Google Forms. At meron din akong mga reviewer yung kumpleto. So meron akong at least 2 sets mag-a-upload ako dito ng Google Form na kumpleto, 100 plus items yon yung kumpleto. Okay, so ano pang inaantay nyo? I-DM nyo na po ako sa aking Messenger RJ Enseñado. Okay, so para malinaw po ha, ang 50 pesos po ay para sa 10 sessions na. So i-divide nyo sa 10, lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Okay, so PM nyo lang po ako para maka-join kayo.